Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we're just going to be diving into the scalping trading strategy. All right. In this video, you're going to be learning how to make quick trades, spot entry and exit points, and manage risk in fast moving markets using this strategy. Okay, now we are going to start with understanding what scalping trading strategy is. Okay, the scalping trading strategy basically is all about taking advantage of small price movements over short time frames. Okay, scalpers trade on 1 minute to 5 minute charts, aiming to capture quick market swings rather than holding positions for hours or days. Okay, so basically, this approach requires focus, fast decision making, and a clear understanding of market structure. All right, scalping is ideal for traders who want active involvement and are comfortable monitoring charts closely. Okay, successful scalping relies on spotting high probability entry and exit points. Okay, you have to look for areas where price shows strong reactions, such as support and resistance levels. Okay, remember that you're going to be working with the smaller time frames, right? So on those smaller time frames, you want to look out for areas where price have been rejected. You can see here now we had a significant resistance that turned into a support. You can see support level now acting as a resistance. Here this was a support, here this was a resistance. So you have to get a clear understanding of market structure, all right? And you need to look for areas where price shows strong reactions. Support and resistance levels are examples, pivot points or previous swing highs and swing lows. Those are important examples. Okay, now candlestick patterns and price action can provide additional confirmation. For example, a small reversal candle around a support zone. Okay, if you find a reversal candlestick around a support zone, a bullish reversal candlestick around a support zone, it could add validity to that signal. It could help to give you additional confirmation. Okay, it could be a good entry for a quick trade, right? For example, price actually came back towards this support zone. Now, remember that support and resistance are zones, right? They may not necessarily be a particular price level. So price actually got close to this support zone, and we had a bullish candlestick pattern here. Can you see this bullish engulfing pattern that formed? So right after that bullish pattern, this is the 5-minute chart, right? So it could be a sign that bullish momentum had entered. So if you enter a buy trade right after that bullish engulfing, you can set a stop loss some pips below the pattern, and you can actually target the next resistance zone for your take profit. So that's a quick trade. It's a quick scalping trade, right? You want to catch the momentum real quick. Okay, so this is just an example for a quick trade. You can also take advantage of indicators such as moving averages, RSI, MACD, all of these indicators that can also help scalpers to confirm trends, right? You can use indicators to also confirm trends and timing. A short moving average crossover, maybe you have two moving averages. You can take advantage of two moving averages. Maybe you have a shorter term moving average cross above a longer term moving average, for example, right? So that could be a signal for you. Okay, let's just use 20. So imagine if you're having probably a 9 SMA and 20 SMA. So probably when the 9 crosses above the 20, that's a buy signal. And when the 9 SMA crosses below the 20 SMA, that's a sell signal. So you can actually take advantage of moving averages, so maybe RSI, just for confirmations. Those are additional tools, right, to help you as a scalper. Okay, a short-term moving average crossover, or if you are using RSI, maybe an overbought or oversold RSI signal can support your entry decision. Remember, scalping works best with a clean chart. Okay, avoid overloading your setup with too many indicators. Use a few reliable tools that complement your price action analysis. Okay, now we cannot just avoid talking about risk management, because risk management is crucial in scalping due to the rapid pace of trades, right? You have to set tight stop loss levels to protect your account from unexpected price spikes. Okay, you need to calculate your position size carefully and never risk too much on a single trade. Now, scalping is about consistency and small wins, okay? Not large, risky bets. Practicing discipline and sticking to your rules is actually key to long-term success. Okay, so that is a simple breakdown on how to scalp, as a beginner, right? It's a simple scalping trading strategy that we just discussed in this video. Remember that you have to prioritize risk management. You have to work with smaller time frames. Okay, you don't really have, so much business with a higher time frame, so that you can just go to higher time frames to get the overall trend, but your main business is on the lower time frames, 1 minute, 5 minutes, probably 15 minutes in some cases. Okay, so by understanding small price movements, spotting high probability entries and exits, using indicators wisely, and managing your risk, you can trade short-term moves more effectively. All right. So if you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more actionable trading strategies. Start scalping today and take your short-term trading skills to the next level. See you in the next video.